Hi, my name is Teja. Welcome to plsql Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about plsql cursor use with for loop, and we will find out throughout this tutorial are explicit cursor use, for loop use, and loop use. We will give an example of for loop of a cursor. So let's do it. Here we can see the declaration section. So here we declare a cursor, and this cursor is populated by using the DML select statement. So here we use first name, last name, and salary from employee table. So inside the begin and end, we use the for loop here, and this is the cursor, and this cursor will be traverse, will be loop here. So inside the loop, we use the dbms output line function to print or some values here, first name, last name, and salary. So if I execute this one, after executing the result, we can see here the employee name and salary. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.